Lesson 11. We are on page 231. Kanak learns 57 words in the Tlingit language from her mother. Then she starts taking lessons to learn more. After a month of lessons, Kanak knows 3 times as many Tlingit words as she did before. How many Tlingit words does Kanak know now? Okay, I'm going to circle using my cube strategy. I'm going to underline words that she now knows, and I am going to box down how to label it when I find my answer. I'm going to use partial product to get my answer today. 57 words times 3. She knows 3 times as many as she did before after she started taking lessons. Okay, don't forget that this is in the ones place, tens place. So if I did expanded form for 57, I'd have 50 plus 7, which is the same thing as taking each number times 3. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 5, is it 5 or is it 50? It's 50. 3 times 50, using the power of 10, I scoot that 0 over. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I'm ready to add 171 words. Turn the page. Let's go to the bottom of our vocabulary page. Okay, it has manipulatives drawn here. Remember that I talked about using expanded form. 2 times, so 2 times 40, 2 times 8. That's all I need to do. So 2 times 40, 2 times 8, power of 10, put down the 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 80 plus 16 is 96. Let's go check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. There's 5 here and 5 there, so that equals 1 rod. So I'll put a 10 there. 3 plus 3 is 6. I add those all together. I also get 96. A ball has 4 building sets. Each set has 62 pieces. How many pieces does he have in all? That means I'm going to be adding when I get my answer done. Times 4. I could do repeated addition 4 times. That's an answer. That works. Ugh, we don't have time for that in 4th grade, though. We're using partial product again. 4 times 2, because it's the ones place. 4 times, is it 6 or 60? It's 60 because it's in the tens place. There's 2 numbers there. 4 times 2 is 8. Bring over the 0 from the power of 10. 6 times 4 is 24. Add up the number, and you get, we didn't box this together, the label piece, 248 pieces. Okay, we're going to check our work. So if I multiply it up above, I need to do the opposite, which is to divide. I'm going to take my answer, and I am going to divide it by 4. 2 times 2, 4 goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. That equals 0. Bring down the 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 62 is how many sets they start out with. I'll put a big check mark because I checked my work.